In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add meta description in Elementor. A meta description is the short summary that appears under your page title in search results. It doesn't directly boost rankings, but it greatly influences whether people click through to your site. Let's get everything set up so you can write and preview a strong description right inside Elementor. First, log into your WordPress admin dashboard. On the left-hand sidebar, hover over plugins and select Add New. At the top, you'll see a search bar. Type SEO and press Enter. From the results, find the Yoast SEO plugin and click it to open its details page. On the right side, click the Install and Activate button and give it a moment to complete. If Yoast opens an onboarding flow, just follow the prompts. When you're done, you'll land on the Yoast dashboard. If you already have Yoast installed, simply make sure it's active and up to date. Next, open the page where you want to add a meta description in the Elementor editor. On the left panel, you'll see a Yoast SEO tab. Click it, then choose Search Appearance. A pop-up will appear with a field labeled Meta Description. Type your description in that field. As you write, look toward the top of the pop-up for the Google preview. This shows how your title and description will likely appear in search, which is incredibly helpful for fine-tuning your message. Aim for a clear, compelling summary of what the page delivers. Include your primary keyword naturally and focus on benefits or outcomes that would make someone want to click. Try to keep it concise so it doesn't get cut off. A tight 150 to 160 characters is a good target. Write a unique description for each page to avoid duplication across your site. If the preview looks too long, trim extra words or replace phrases with shorter, punchier alternatives. When you're satisfied, click Return to your page at the bottom right of the pop-up to close it and go back to your Elementor canvas. Finally, don't forget to save your work. At the top right, click Update if the page is already live, or Publish if it's new. This ensures your meta description is stored and ready for search engines to read on their next crawl. That's it. You've installed Yoast SEO, added your meta description through Elementor, previewed how it will look on Google, and saved your changes. Keep an eye on your search snippets over time and refine your descriptions as your content evolves to improve click-through rates.